This is how to replace the screen on a MSI GS40. As you can see, it's completely cracked. And so all you need is a small Phillips screwdriver and a plastic spudger. So basically the bezel is only held on by the clips on the outside. And so if you get the tool around the outside, you can basically work the clips open around the entire, and there's also a little bit of glue, but it should come off just fine. Should come off fairly easily if you're just careful not to break any of the clips. Slowly pull the glue off. There's only 2 screws on mine. It's towards the bottom of the panel. So undo both of the screws holding the panel on. And remove the broken panel, being careful to not damage the connector. And the data connector is here at the bottom, with a small piece of tape holding it on. So just peel that off and then slide the connector down. And then get the new panel. Line up the bottom of the panel and connect the cable back in. And then I just use the same tape to tape it back on. Line everything up. This one's a little bit uneven, so that's perfectly fine. Put the 2 screws back in. If any of the glue off the previous one was damaged, you may have to use additional glue to stick it back on. And this one looks fine. If I just adjust this one a little bit. And then just line up all the plastic clips. And carefully go on the outside, working all the clips back into place. And then let's make sure the hinge still works. Go ahead and turn it on once that's done, and the new panel is working.